Hello guys, welcome to another lesson with Angel Victor. So today I'll be teaching the concepts of barrel keys. I'm in the key of D flat or C sharp. So it's a very simple concept. It's about taking the same tonic and playing different scales, like playing your major scale and your minor scale. So my major, my minor, and then taking chords from each of those scales. We know our major scale chords are 1 major, 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 dominant, 6 minor, 7 diminished, and then back to 1. For the minor is different. We have 1 minor, we have 2 diminished, 3 major, 4 minor, 5 minor, 4 major, 6 major, 7 major, and back to my 1 minor. If you can see we were just playing the key of E major. But if you picture it that way, you will not get the best of it. Picture it as your minor scale. Okay. You can actually use this concept when playing talk music in church. Maybe I'm in the key of C sharp and then I'm just playing. Sometimes we want to go to somewhere new. Like I said, anything you play will be nice if you're playing talk music and using this concept. Okay, let me also use it in a song. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. My Savior lives, all my fear is gone. Because I know He holds my future. My life is worth I live in. Because He lives. I hope you could see me using it here, and then coming back to the key. It's a very nice concept. I use it when I'm playing talk music, and I use it when I'm tired of playing chords that are tonic to the key. Well, if you don't understand, you can leave a comment. I'll reply, I'll explain more. And if you find this video really helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Stay blessed.